Ronaldo has 850 plus goals, but one man scored over 1,400. Messi, bleeding, still celebrates at the Bernabeu. Ronaldo crashes Coca-Cola's $4 billion market. One keeper's mind games win the World Cup. A footballer stopped a civil war. One man scored 13 goals in a single match. The richest footballer on earth is almost unknown. A jersey sold for $9.3 million. Hidden names under the World Cup trophy. The king gets the royal robe. From war to glory, from 310 massacres to billion-dollar moments. This is football history. Watch till end.
Fact number 76. Messi's Bernabeu jersey, the iconic celebration. In the 2017 El Clasico, Lionel Messi scored in the final seconds to give Barcelona the victory. He took off his jersey and held it up directly towards the Real Madrid fans. It was a message that the king was still the same. Did you know? In the same match, Messi's tooth was broken and blood was flowing from his mouth, yet he did not give up until the end. That jersey was later sold at an auction for $450,000. Fact number 77. Ronaldo's Coca-Cola incident, the market crash. During a press conference at the 2020 Euros, Cristiano Ronaldo removed the 2 Coca-Cola bottles placed in front of him, picked up a bottle of water, and said, "Agua, drink water." This single gesture caused a $4 billion drop in Coca-Cola's stock market value. Did you know? Ronaldo is so strict about his diet and fitness that he considers soft drinks and junk food as the enemies of football. His one step created a wave of health awareness across the world. Fact number 78. Football and the end of civil war. The Drogba peace. In 2005, a fierce civil war was going on in Ivory Coast. When the team qualified for the World Cup, star player Didier Drogba knelt down in the dressing room on live TV and begged the country's leaders to stop the war. A ceasefire followed his message. Did you know? Drogba proved that a footballer's voice can be more powerful than a bullet. He is still regarded as a messenger of peace. Fact number 79. Messi's bisht, the royal robe. After winning the 2022 World Cup, the Emir of Qatar made Messi wear a black, transparent robe before lifting the trophy, known as the bisht. It is a symbol of honor and royal status in Arab culture. Did you know? Initially, Western media criticized it, but it later emerged that this was the highest way of honoring Messi as the king of football. Fact number 80. A dog entered the field and a goal was scored. In the 1960s, during a match in Brazil, a dog entered the field and accidentally headed the ball into the net. The referee was so surprised that he jokingly awarded it as a goal, though it was later disallowed. Did you know? Such incidents often happen in small league matches where animals enter the field, but football lovers consider them good luck. Fact number 81. The real king of most goals. Officially, Cristiano Ronaldo holds the record for the most goals, 850 plus, but many football historians mention the name of Joseph Beacon. It is believed that Beacon scored over 1,400 goals in his career, but the technology to record data accurately at that time was not precise. Did you know? Beacon had an average of 1.5 goals per match. Even though Ronaldo broke the record, Beacon's goal machine image is still a topic of discussion among legendary players. Fact number 82. Most goals in a single match. The record for the most goals in a single international football match belongs to Australia's Archie Thompson. He scored 13 goals against American Samoa in 2001. His team won the match 31-0. Did you know? Archie said after the match that he got tired of scoring goals and couldn't even remember the count. Breaking this record is considered impossible in today's professional football. Fact number 84. Zlatan Ibrahimovic, the Lion. Zlatan Ibrahimovic is famous for his strength and acrobatic goals. The secret is that he is a black belt in Taekwondo. The flexibility of his body allows him to kick the ball at a height of 6 to 7 feet in the air. Did you know? He scored an overhead bicycle kick from 30 yards against England, which is considered one of the greatest goals in football history. Zlatan says, "Lions do not compare themselves to humans." Fact number 85. Longest penalty shootout, the never-ending record. In 2022, during a match in England, Washington FC versus Bedlington, a total of 54 penalties were taken in the shootout. The score reached 25-24. Both spectators and players were exhausted, but the ball kept going into the net. Did you know? This is recorded as the longest shootout in the history of professional football. The referee also said that he had never seen anything like it in his life. Fact number 86. The richest footballer in the world, the secret billionaire. You might think Messi or Ronaldo are the richest. Wrong. The richest footballer in the world is Buckyball. He is the nephew of the Sultan of Brunei, and his total wealth is more than $20 billion. Did you know? He plays football just as a hobby. Although he couldn't shine in big clubs, no one comes close to him in terms of wealth.
Fact number 87. Football's most expensive jersey. The jersey Diego Maradona wore during the Hand of God goal in the 1986 World Cup was auctioned in 2022 for $9.3 million, approximately 77 crore rupees. Did you know? It is considered the most expensive jersey in sports history. Maradona is no longer with us, but his memories are sold in crores. Fact number 88. What is under the World Cup trophy? Have you ever noticed what is written on the base of the World Cup trophy? From 1974 onwards, the names of all the winners are engraved there in their own languages. For example, Deutschland for Germany and Argentina for Argentina. Did you know? There is space left on this trophy for winners' names only until the 2038 World Cup. After that, FIFA will have to either extend the base or make a new trophy. Fact number 89. The most expensive loser. In the FIFA World Cup, it's not just the winners who get money. In 2022, teams that were eliminated in the group stage also received $9 million, approximately 75 crore rupees. Meanwhile, winners Argentina received $42 million. Did you know? FIFA also pays clubs whose players participate in the World Cup. This is the biggest part of football's business model. Fact number 90. The importance of number 10, the sacred number. In football, the number 10 jersey is considered the most sacred. This number has been worn by legends like Pele, Maradona, and Messi. Usually, it is given to the team's most creative and playmaker player. Did you know? When Pele was first given the number 10 in the World Cup, it was just a coincidence because Brazilian officials forgot to assign numbers and FIFA randomly gave them 10. After that, it became history. Fact number 91. The world's smallest football club, Scilly Isles League. On the islands of Isles of Scilly in England, the world's smallest football league operates. It has only 2 teams, Garrison Gunners and Woolpack Wanderers. They play 20 to 25 matches against each other every year. Did you know? The surprising thing is that they play against the same opponent every week, yet the passion of the people there does not diminish. It is the world's only official 2-team league. Fact number 92. Neymar's Santos debt, the father-son promise. When Neymar was a child, his father did not have money for his training. Santos Club saw Neymar's talent and provided his family with a house and living expenses. Neymar had promised that before leaving the club, he would make them rich. Did you know? When he went to Barcelona, Santos received so much money that the club's entire debt was cleared. Even today, Neymar donates a large part of his earnings to his childhood club and the children of his city. Fact number 93. Ronaldo's number 7 mystery, the Ferguson promise. When Ronaldo joined Manchester United, Sir Alex Ferguson told him, "Wear this number 7, because you are going to become the best player in the world." Ronaldo was scared, but Ferguson's faith turned him into CR7. Did you know?
Today, wherever Ronaldo goes, his contract states that he will be given number 7, even if it belongs to another player. Fact number 94. Most red cards. The disciplined career. Colombia's Gerardo Bedoya holds the shameful record of the most red cards in football history, with 46. He was so violent that he was called the Beast. Did you know? After retirement, when he became a coach, he was sent off from the dugout in his very first match. Some people never change. Fact number 95. Messi's sleep habit. The nap king. Lionel Messi sleeps at least 10 to 12 hours a day. He always takes a long siesta nap in the afternoon. His doctors believe this is the biggest secret to his muscle recovery. Did you know? So much attention is paid to peace in Messi's house that even his children know that if Papa is sleeping, don't make noise. Fact number 96. Champions without losing. The Invincibles. Arsenal did not lose a single match in the 2003-2004 Premier League season. They won the title by remaining unbeaten in 38 matches. They are still called the Invincibles. Did you know? They were given a special Golden Premier League trophy in their honor, which is only with them in history. Fact number 97. Africa's first World Cup, the Vuvuzela sound. In 2010, South Africa hosted the World Cup for the first time on African soil. The identity of that tournament was the plastic horn called Vuvuzela, whose noise was so loud that players could not even talk to each other. Did you know? Broadcasters had to apply audio filters on TV so that viewers could hear the commentary. FIFA later banned it in many stadiums. Fact number 98. Pele's 1,000th goal, the milestone. When Pele scored his 1,000th goal, there was a festive atmosphere throughout Brazil. The match stopped, thousands of people ran onto the field and lifted Pele on their shoulders. He scored that goal from a penalty. Did you know? Pele had dedicated this goal to the poor children of Brazil. He has always been a strong supporter of humanity. Fact number 99. Messi and Ronaldo. The end of an era. The final fact. For the last 20 years, the football world has revolved around these two names. Messi has 8 Ballon d'Or awards, and Ronaldo has 5. Together, they have scored more than 1,500 goals. By winning the 2022 World Cup, Messi has almost ended the GOAT debate. Did you know? Even though both have now left Europe and are playing in America and Saudi Arabia, such an era will never come again in football history. We are lucky that we saw them play with our own eyes. Fact number 100. The design of a football, the Buckyball. The classic black and white design of a football, with 32 panels that we see, is called the Buckyball. It was introduced in the 1970 World Cup so that the ball could be clearly visible on black and white TV. Did you know? Today's balls are seamless, without stitching, and are joined by thermal bonding so that they do not absorb water in the rain and do not become heavy.